Hello, this is the almost extinct tiger. It is Group 5's Red List project, and it is by Zay Beadle, Eric Haney, and Henry Edgington. Alright, so geographic range. Tigers are mammals native to Asia. Specifically, they live in Southeast and East Asia. However, tiger species span from the Caucasus to Siberia to parts of China, Indonesia, and Malaysia. There are large populations of tigers in and near India and Myanmar. So this is just a density map, and India is purple because that's just where large populations of tigers live. So diet, tigers are primarily carnivores. They tend to be at the top of the food chain. They're just big predators. So they eat large prey normally, such as sambar deer, wild pigs, water buffaloes, antelopes, mooses, cows, horses, boars, and even goats. Baby tigers tend to eat smaller prey, but this is just like typical of what a tiger would eat. So some subspecies will eat grasses in rare occasions, but that's usually only when they're in extreme hunger. So I think that it's kind of just important to note that they're solely carnivores because that's just very rare. I mean, this is a sambar deer. It's a huge prey of the tigers in Asia. So habitats, tigers can live in a lot of different environments. For instance, rainforests, evergreen and temperate forests, grasslands, savannas, mangrove swamps, and more. So depending on the subspecies, tigers will be able to live in climates like tundras, and other species will be able to live in dry, hot regions. Some species, such as Siberian tigers, are able to live in very cold and mountainous regions. So this is just a tiger in the snow on a mountain. So interesting behaviors. So something that's very peculiar about tigers is that they like to swim. A lot of big cats and cats in general don't like to swim. However, tigers are felines who are very good swimmers, and they do tend to take dips in pools, lakes, and streams to cool off. It's important to note that they don't like getting water above their neck, especially in their eyes, which means that they usually don't swim long distances. So, human threats. Humans are a very big threat to tigers because we constantly just threaten the species. Some major effects that humans have on tigers are from poaching and just destroying their habitats. In the past 20 years, 1,000 tiger skins have been intercepted by Interpol, which has led experts to estimate that over 10,000 tigers have been poached just because they can't catch every single illegal trade that happens. So that's just their estimate. And destruction of habitat is also a key issue for tigers because right now they're left with just 7% of their original territory due to human expansion like urbanization and farmland growth. So conservation efforts. Tigers are currently listed as an endangered species. However, the Malayan and Sumatran subspecies are listed as critically endangered. So many conservation efforts have been put in place just because of their status as an endangered species. So they're protected under Appendix 1 of CITES, which won't allow tigers to be traded internationally. And 13 tiger range countries have adopted a global tiger recovery program, which essentially aims to just enhance and manage tiger habitats, get rid of poaching and illegal trade of tigers, and it's just trying to get tigers back into uh, their prior range. So organizations are also beginning to use camera technology to prevent poachers, so they can just catch the poachers on camera and have them prosecuted. And this will hopefully protect and monitor tiger species